back to my channel, and the reason that I posted this video today on Diwali is because there are apparently a lot of people, like I'm hoping there are a lot of people like me who have nothing to do on Diwali, have no such big plans, and all they do is watch videos. So why not contribute another video for those people like me who do that? Thumbs up if you do. Comment down below what are your Diwali plans. And with that, this video is about another video about scented candles. And these candles can be scented, cannot be scented, up to you, whatever you like. And I don't have a lot to say actually. I am happy that it's Diwali today. This day is gonna be vlogged and you will see it as well. I am working really hard right now, and abhi Diwali and my mother is going to scream at me any moment to come down and help her with the Diwali chores, but I am here recording this, so I hope she understands. I'm sorry, mommy. And okay, now I literally have nothing else to say, so yeah, let's get straight into the video.
So the first candle is this gel wax rose candle. Now for making these candles, the ingredients that we need are firstly glass jars. The second thing is gel wax, which is obviously the most important one. The third thing that's required is rose petals. Well, I am using rose petals, but you could use anything that you like. So you could get gel wax anywhere online. I'll leave a link in the description box. So like any candle, just first melt the gel wax in a double boiler. Double boiler would be best because that way you won't burn yourself. So that's how you do it. And then I added the rose petals into the wax and mixed it really well. And then I mixed this concoction of gel wax and rose petals inside my glass jars, and then added a wick inside it while the wax was still hot with the help of a scissor. I poked a hole at the middle of the jar and then I put the wick inside it. That's how I did it. And we're already done. This candle is super easy, and just look how pretty it looks. And for something that took me like a really short time to make, this is amazing, and I really loved it, and I just loved it. Now in my previous video I got this comment on how to make candle without the mason jar, and this is how I tried doing it using a paper cup, and this is how you guys would try it too if you don't like the mason jar method. Now for the wax I used this old candle. The glass jar of it broke, so I used the candle for making these mini candles. And नहीं, बिना जार के कैंडल बनाने का ये तरीका बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि तुम कैंडल बनाओ फिर जार को तोड़ दो, बट ये गलती से टूट गया था, तो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई विल बी डूइंग फॉर दिस कैंडल. फॉर द एक्चुअल कैंडल आई विल बी यूजिंग दीज पेपर कप्स. I poured the first layer into the candle. I am trying to make this layered candle with different colors. So first I poured dark pink and I let it freeze, not exactly freeze but let it solidify, like semi solidify, and then I added the wick on top of it. This is a very easy way to add the wick because otherwise बहुत problem होती है like pen से करके, but this is a fairly easy way and anybody can do it. then for the next layer I added a bit of white wax to this colored wax to make it a lighter pink color, and then I poured it on top of the solid layer. Now before doing this, make sure that the bottom layer is completely solidified, otherwise it will melt and give a sort of a gradient look, which we don't want here. But of course, if you do want a gradient, then pour it when the bottom layer is not completely solid to get the gradient look. And then after this layer solidifying, I added a third layer of even lighter pink color on top to get a 3-layered pink candle. Then I got a little creative and I added some rose petals to the wax and then poured it into another paper cup and added a wick to it. And I really went wild and made 2-3 similar candles, and I really enjoyed doing it. And if you want a tea light sort of a look, then add a tiny amount of wax into the cup and then put the wax. This way the candle would look like a tea light candle and can be used like a tea light candle as well. And this is another way of how to make a tea light candle. And if you are wondering what the other way of making tea light candles is, then just click on the I button and watch my previous Diwali video, the one that I posted last year, and it also has another amazing way of how to make tea light candles at home. Then there's nothing left to do, just tear the paper cup out and your beautiful candles are ready. Of course, trim the wick, that's very important. The length of the wick should not be more than half a centimeter, otherwise the candle will burn like a bonfire. It will burn like a bonfire. And this is how this candle turned out. It's so pretty, it's so nice. All of these are so pretty, and I believe that this is another very simple way of how to make candles without jars. And I just love how these little tea light ones turned out, because these are seriously my favorite so far. Now our overall favorite, or at least my overall favorite, is these water candles, and this is how you make them. These are honestly the simplest ones. What you need to do is take a glass jar or a bowl or whatever you have. So for the decoration part, I had these glass marble sort of things. They are not marbles, but they are pretty, so I put them at the bottom. And then I took some water and I added a little bit of blue food coloring to it, just a tiny amount, a very very tiny amount. And then I poured this colored water on top of the pebbles, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna call them pebbles. And then I added oil. I added olive oil on top of it. You can add any oil that you have. For the wick part, which is the tricky part, what you need to do is cut a circular plastic from an old plastic bottle or anything that you have, and then add a slit at the side of it, and through that slit just push in the wick and then float the whole thing on top of your candle. And this is how you make the candle. I'm sorry, this part was not very well filmed, so I filmed the plastic part later on, but I hope you get a fair idea. If you have any confusion, then mention them in the comments and I will be happy to respond to you. Also, somebody said that this looks like Ocean Paradise, so that's what I'm gonna call this one. I'm gonna call this one Ocean Paradise, and this is my Ocean Paradise candle, and I love it so much. I know I am repeating this phrase, I love it so much, but I honestly love this one. This one is my favorite, and with that, these are our 3 candles, and please comment down which one is your favorite candle. I would love to hear which one you liked, and if you have more creative and nice names for these candles, then please let me know. I would love to know about them.
So these were the 3 candles, guys. I hope you enjoyed them. You might have guessed that there can be multiple variants of these candles, like you can make a rainbow candle, different kinds of water candles, a lot of different kinds of candles actually through these. These are just the basics, and I hope these help you. The previous candle video blew up. Like, for me, 12,700 views is a lot, and I just hope that this one goes really well as well. Please comment down below what you want to watch next. I know Instagram pe a lot of people mentioned a lot of video ideas, and I will be doing them very soon. And please be patient, guys. Thank you so much. And we did complete 300 subscribers now, and I'm just so happy that we reached 300. Help me reach 500 very soon. if you're wondering, my Instagram handle is @potions. It is actually my Instagram store, and the link will be mentioned in the description. All the materials that have been used in this video, if I have a link to it, an Amazon link, I will mention them in the comment. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not earning anything through that. It's just a normal link, and it is just to help you guys. And if you have any queries, then please mention them in the comments. I reply to all the comments because I don't get all that many comments, but I reply to as many comments as I can, and so far I think I've replied to every single comment in every single video of mine. So yeah, and with that, I think I should end this video, and happy Diwali once again, you guys. Thank you so much.